Hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How you guys doing today? So I'm going to be doing a 12 by 36 canvas Dutch pour today, and I'm not using any pouring mediums. It's just acrylic paint and water. Rinska Downa says that she uses water. I have personally never done that before and thought I would give it a try. So that's what I did today. And we'll get down to the painting in a minute and I'll talk about the colors and everything. But I wanted to show you guys really quick the finished coasters. I just wanted to show you the front. You're going to see the fronts in a minute because I am going to show you outside that you can see the glitter. But my point right now is I covered the backs in cork. So you can buy cork in a roll, and then, you know, it's pretty simple just to cut it out, put it on there with Elmer's glue, stack them up like that, and then they dry overnight. It's incredibly easy to put the backing on there once they have resin on them and they're ready to go. So they're really, really cute. And where's my favorite one? Oh my gosh, there it is. Here's my favorite one. Can you see it? The reflection. Anyway, so welcome new subscribers and welcome back everybody else that has been with me for a while. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, here we go. Okay, so yeah, these are the tiles, and it's so hard to capture the glitter of the primary elements, color art, pigments. And the only way I know how to do it is to use sunshine, just sparkling away. And that looks like a butterfly, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. And these just turned out so super adorable. Love these pigments and this color combo. So that one's super cute. I feel like there's like a bird in that one. Doesn't it look like a bird? But again, so shimmery and sparkly. And last but not least, this guy. Not a lot of cells. I don't feel like it needs it. You know, there's a time and place for cells. Okay, so let's get going on this big guy. This is a 12 by 36 long and skinny canvas. And this painting is for my daughter, both my daughters, and they really like green, sage green. So I had to mix this with, I had to Google it and just mix and mix and mix. I made way too much. Okay, so I've got sage green, deep green, like a forest green, black, magenta that's lightened a little bit, gold, and white. Now, the flow acrylics and gold, black, and white is what I used. Now, the cool thing about all this is I only mixed it with water. No Floetrol, no binders, nothing. So that's the big experiment. And it's pretty liquidy. And I have never done a painting with it being so thin like this. So this is a bit of an experiment. I noticed that Mauve Artistry and Rinska Downa, they only use water. Well, I don't know about Molly if she uses only water. I know she has in some of her videos. Anyway, Rinska Downa, I hope I said that right, uses only water. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. I want to see what the result would be. So here we are. And I'm going to do the Dutch pour technique. This is just me goofing around. I was kind of just looking to see if I like the colors together. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna move these out of the camera, but okay. So I'm gonna get started on the top. This is gonna be the background color. Like I said, I made way too much of it. All right, here we go. So in the middle, we're going to be using this pink. I'm just gonna kind of willy-nilly it here. Some gold. Some white. And this beautiful dark green. I just remembered. I want to create a puddle here. We're going to cover it up and then blow it out. That splatter happened, so I will go over that and get rid of all those. I like it. Kind of wish there was a little more color. Oops, there's blue jar. Up here, really like this. The gold isn't really there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create another puddle here because that's just so much space. And yeah, okay. So again, I'm just gonna do the same. I might put gold on top this time. So let's start with the dark green. And the white is really pretty too, so liking this color combo. Go easy on the pink. And then let's hit that gold. I feel like that gold might be a little bit thicker than the other paints, and that's not what's supposed to happen. They should all be the same consistency. All right, I'm going to cover it up and then I'm going to blow it out. My mouth with this one. That is so beautiful. So I'm gonna touch up this black splatter. Okay, so I'm gonna use the torch and create a little bit of cells. Pop some bubbles. Mostly just bubbles popping, no cells happening. That's okay, I don't even care. This spot right here is just, for some reason, it just stands out a lot. So I think I'm just gonna give it another little blow to the edge there. That's better. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. I am so very thrilled with this result. And I love this color combination. So good job, the girls, my daughters, for picking great colors out. And this is gonna look amazing in their sage green and pink bathroom. I think that's where it's gonna hang. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. And fingers crossed that this is gonna dry okay, because it's mixed with water, you know, so this is acrylic paint mixed with water, and it could crack. So I'm a little nervous about that, but we'll see. And I will be letting you guys know how it dries and show you the result. Okay, so there it is. I turned the lights off. I hope that you can still see this, because the reflection was so harsh, couldn't really see the details. So here is, I'm just gonna go up. The close-up. All the way up. I love how there's negative space without it feeling like a big blank space. You know, like there's supposed to be something there. And I love the black and the green going up. So yay, thanks for the inspiration, Rinska and Molly. Appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. There's the sides. Oh my gosh. I love this angle. Love it. All right, you guys. Have a good one.